Hello guys, it's always a pleasure to come your way with another wonderful video concerning programming. Now if you have any knowledge concerning programming, please don't hesitate to share it in our comment section so that we can also benefit from this knowledge. Today we want to learn something called concatenating. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do your best to subscribe, like the video and share it to those who are in need of it, because when you have knowledge and you haven't shared with anyone, then there's no use of the knowledge. So I recommend you to share the video to those who are in need of it. Now what is concatenating? Concatenating is just a complicated word which means gluing together or joining together a bunch of text with variables to make a useful sentence in our output when we run a program using only one print statement. Let's see how we can do this in this video. We will start by asking questions concerning somebody's biography. So let's see how we can do that. Here we start by, let's say, print, then open your bracket and bring your quotation. You say welcome to my biography. So this is the first thing we want to do. Then close the bracket. Then come down, start by name, then write equal to, then bring our input. After that we bring our bracket. We open the bracket, then we bring the quotation. Then we ask the person, what is your name? We bring the quotation again, then we close the bracket. Then we come to the next line. We ask the next question. So write age is equal to input, then bracket open. We bring our quotation, we open the bracket and do the quotation. Then we ask, what is your age? Then we bring the quotations again, we close the bracket. Then we come to the next line. The next question is your favorite food. So we bring favorite, and remember, if you want to join two words together, we don't separate two words in coding. We do that by using underscore. So you do favorite, then bring the underscore, then bring food. So favorite food is equal to input, then you open the bracket, you bring your quotation once again, then ask the question, what is your favorite food? You close the quotation, then we also close the bracket, or you can call it parenthesis. Yeah, so now with this done, we come to the next line, which is your hobby. So let's say hobby is equal to the input. Then we open our bracket, we bring our quotation once again, open the bracket, bring the quotation, then ask the question once again, what is your hobby? So this is questions concerning the biography of somebody. Now you close it, we close the bracket, then we come to the next line using only one print statement. So now we say print, then open our bracket. So we open the bracket, then we say hello, then hello, comma, name, comma, then we bring the quotation once again. So here it's like whatever the person's name is will be put in the name section here. Whatever the age is, you will do that in accordance to every variable. So now we say hello, name, you are dash. So you are, then comma, age. So whatever the person's age is will be put in the age section. Then we put the comma, we separate it with comma again. Then we bring years old. Yeah, so we separate that with the comma once again. Then the next thing is your favorite food. Separate that to with our comma. Then we open our quotation once again. Then we do is the best food. The best food I like most. Then we close the quotations, then separate that by the comma. Then the last thing we want to do is the hobby. We separate that too with the comma. Then we bring our quotation once again. Then is the best game. The best game I enjoyed I enjoy playing. We close the quotation, also close the bracket. Yeah, we close it, the bracket. Then we run our code. So let's run and see the result of this program. Now here we come. So they say, welcome to my biography. We ask, what is your name? So once we enter our name, it will ask the next question in that order. So let's say my name is Tektao2, and it asks, what is your age? And I enter my age, 24. The next question is, what is your favorite food? Let's say jollof with fried chicken. Say jollof with fried chicken is the food I like most. So now we press enter once again. They say, what is your hobby? Say football. Now with this, they say, hello Tektao2, you are 24 years old. Jollof with fried chicken is the food I like most. Football is the best game I enjoy playing. So this is how you can do concatenating in Python. So I hope you've learned something in this video. Thank you for staying tuned to the end of the video. The next thing we want to do is how we can put all these things we have learned from day 1 up to today to make a good program out of it. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed before you leave the channel. Thank you once again for watching.